Hi guys, so today I'm cooking some potatoes, chicken potato, some chicken with some potatoes and some chapatis that I bought from the place yenye nilikuwa nimeenda kukula chapati na madondo. So me once a month I love treating myself, and since today is first and this is my birthday month, my birthday is on 30th of April. So today is 1st of April, so I'd like to start it nice. Na mimi si mtu wa madre, so me I love eating. I'm a stress eater. So this is the chicken. Hii chicken hapa ni 500. I think mnajuanga ile broiler. Yeah, the broiler. So I'm going to put it here for easy potatoes, and I'm going to eat it for supper. Nimepika mapema. It's 5 p.m. 5 p.m. I love cooking early. Sipendi kutoka nje usiku na sipendi tu kutoka nje. So yeah, I'll take it kama ishaiva nikikula. So here's the whole meal. No, Jamal, no. Jamal, no. Leave my foods alone. Here's the chicken, there's the chapati. Yeah, I love to treat myself like this. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Jamal, no. JJ, say bye. Oh my goodness. Nani amebab. Sorry. No. Bye.